visit Team Cutting Tools in Hall 5 at EMO. Besides a lot of innovations and our product range, we offer also a lot of services for our industry. For example, a regrinding service, restart, recycling service, but also a lot of services regarding availability, like logistics. For our standard product range, we have the next day delivery for 99% of the product. And also, for example, here our Tool-O-Mat, our innovative tool management system, where you have the stock in-house. Yeah, we love to see you at our booth. Come here in Hall 5 and visit us.